These little buttons here will let you go back 15 seconds. So every time you click it, see down here is how much time you've read for, and it in that particular chapter. And so you're going back 15 seconds at a time. It's telling you it's 2 minutes to go back and 17 minutes to go ahead in this particular chapter. So you could also skip ahead by every time you tap that, it's 15 seconds. Also up here, there's some other things. This is the speed that the book's going to be read at. This is if you want to put a timer on it and have a timer. You want it to maybe stop at the end of the chapter. So that is kind of handy if you want to have a timer set on it. This part here is a bookmark button, and it puts a bookmark so that you know where you left off last time if you want to, or it will automatically just, when you pick up this book the next time, it'll automatically start where you left off, but you can put a bookmark on it, and holding the button will record a highlight. So maybe there's a certain part of the book that you really wanted to make a recording of. And then over here is where it will just put a bookmark. And you can also add a little note. So you might type in, good idea. And it'll save that. So let's just listen a bit.
School and agency. Her name was Letty, and her husband had a plane like my father. Every Sunday night.
So do you see the appeal of Libby in that you can, put headphones in and off you go, doing your business? You can read it or listen to it at night and set the timer if you want. And let's see if there's anything else I want to show you. These are recent returns, so it just shows some of the things that I've returned already. Let's go back here. On the shelf, if you want to know, what do I have out for loans? Expired. I could place a hold on that one. I have that one out. And there, there's the one I just, remember I took this one out. Now it's downloaded. And you can tell it's an audiobook because it'll say audio and have these little headphone pictures. So that's good to know. It tells you when it is due. Let's see what holds I have. Oh. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 books on hold at the moment. And tags are, if you want to put a tag beside a book, thumbs up, thumbs down. If you really liked it, you can put a tag and then put a little message there too. So if you're reading along and you're like, what was that really good one that I put a tag on? And here's all the ones I have been checking out. Then this timeline here lists all the titles you've borrowed in your recent returns. So you could go to your timeline and it will show you everything that you've placed a hold on or that you've read and when you took it out. So there's a lot of really good features in Libby. So I hope you get a chance to try it out. And if you're interested, I could even let you know of some of the books that I read that I enjoyed this summer. Thanks, and I'll have more videos of stuff you might want to know, or videos about how to do some things. So just keep watching our Facebook page, and you'll hopefully